Imagine you're out in the wild. No electricity, no kitchen, just nature all around you. You're tired after a long hike and all you want is a hot cup of coffee or a quick warm meal. But carrying a heavy stove isn't an option. What if I told you there's a tiny pocket-sized stove that can deliver powerful performance anywhere you go? Today, we're diving into the MightyMo Trail Stove, a compact yet surprisingly powerful tool designed for campers, hikers, and outdoor lovers. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. The MightyMo Trail Stove is built for people who value portability without sacrificing performance. At first glance, you might think it's just another small camping gadget, but once you see it in action, it becomes clear why so many outdoor enthusiasts are choosing this stove. It's incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for backpacking trips where every ounce matters. You can easily slip it into your backpack without even noticing the extra weight. One of the biggest highlights of the MightyMo Trail Stove is its compact design. It's so small that it fits right in the palm of your hand, yet it delivers a powerful flame capable of boiling water in just a few minutes. This makes it ideal for quick meals like instant noodles, coffee, or dehydrated camping food. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or camping in the jungle, this stove ensures you never have to go without a hot meal. Another impressive feature is its push-button ignition system. Unlike traditional camping stoves that require matches or lighters, the MightyMo makes things simple. Just press a button and you've got a flame ready to go. This not only saves time, but also makes the stove much more convenient to use, especially in challenging outdoor conditions where lighting a match can be difficult. Control is another area where this stove shines. It offers excellent flame control, allowing you to switch from a gentle simmer to a strong boil with ease. This means you're not limited to just boiling water. You can actually cook a variety of meals if you want. From making soup to heating up canned food, the MightyMo gives you flexibility that many small stoves lack. Durability is also worth mentioning. Despite its small size, the stove is made with solid materials designed to withstand outdoor conditions. It feels sturdy and reliable, which is exactly what you need when you're far away from home. The foldable pot supports add to its practicality, making it stable enough to hold your cookware while still being easy to pack away. Of course, no product is perfect. While the MightyMo Trail Stove is incredibly efficient, it may not be the best choice for larger cooking tasks. If you're planning to cook for a group or use large pots, you might find its size a bit limiting. Additionally, in very windy conditions, the flame can be affected, so using a windscreen is recommended for the best performance. That being said, these minor drawbacks don't take away from the overall value this stove offers. For solo travelers, backpackers, or anyone who needs a reliable and portable cooking solution, the MightyMo Trail Stove is a fantastic option. It strikes a perfect balance between size, performance, and convenience. What truly makes this stove stand out is how it simplifies outdoor cooking. You don't need to carry bulky equipment or worry about complicated setups. Just attach it, press the ignition button, and you're ready to cook. It's this level of simplicity and efficiency that makes it such a popular choice among adventurers. If you're someone who loves exploring the outdoors, having a dependable stove like this can make a huge difference in your experience. It allows you to enjoy warm meals and drinks wherever you are, adding comfort to your adventure without adding extra weight to your back. So, is the MightyMo Trail Stove worth it? If you're looking for a lightweight, compact, and powerful camping stove that's easy to use and highly portable, then the answer is definitely yes. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in your outdoor trips. If you want to check the latest price or read customer reviews, you can find the Amazon link in the video description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more awesome product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.